British movements. Very first, we discuss about the Khilafat movement. Children, Khilafat means against. So, the Khilafat issue was one such cause where the Hindus and Muslims came together to protest against the ill treatment of the Caliph of Turkey by the British. Children, the Muslims of all over the world gave great respect to the Sultan of Turkey. They considered him as their Caliph. Children, Caliph means Khalifa. So, during the First World War, the British fought against Turkey. The victorious British imposed humiliating terms on Turkey, and the Allies divided the empire of Turkey amongst themselves. At that time, Indian Muslims supported the British on the condition that after the war, they would give up their anti-Turkish policies and would also treat the Caliph decently. But after the war, they did not keep their promise. They not only divided Turkey into many parts but also deprived the Sultan of Turkey of his power. There was unrest in Indian Muslims due to the injustice done to them. Children, this angered the Indian Muslims. They started the Khilafat movement in 1990 under the leaders such as Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali. They were the Ali brothers, and Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Gandhiji joined the Khilafat activists. Children, the movement started with two main demands. Very first, to restore the Caliph, and the second one, the Caliph must retain control over East. Children, the leaders of the Khilafat movement joined hands with the Indian National Congress for the upcoming non-cooperation movement. The Congress leaders used this opportunity to strengthen and promote Hindu-Muslim unity. Mahatma Gandhi, along with some prominent leaders of the Khilafat movement, toured different parts of the country. On 1st August 1920, Gandhiji gave the call for an all-India non-cooperation movement to redress the wrongs done in Punjab and Turkey. The Congress session at Nagpur in 1920, the Congress appointed an all-India working committee to work round the year. Congress membership was open to all men and women aged above 21 years at a nominal annual fee of 25 paise. The Congress defined its goal as Swaraj, which was to be achieved through boycott combined with a constructive program. Boycott. Children, Mahatma Gandhi popularized khadi or hand-woven clothes during this movement. The charkha became the symbol of Swadeshi. As a method of non-cooperation, people were asked to boycott British goods, legislature, law courts, banks, offices, and educational institutions, and renounce titles and honors given by the British. Mahatma Gandhi returned his title Kesari-Hind to the government. Hundreds of lawyers, including Motilal Nehru, Chittaranjan Das, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and Asif Ali, gave up their highly profitable professions. Thousands of students left government schools, colleges, and joined schools and colleges opened by Indians. Women also showed great enthusiasm. Bonfires of foreign clothes were held throughout the country, and khadi became the symbol of freedom. Children, the gap between the two communities was reduced, and happy era of Hindu-Muslim unity was welcomed. Thus, a wave of unprecedented enthusiasm swept the land. Non-cooperation movement under the constructive program. Children, the Congress promoted cottage industries and national education. Among the educational institutions it set up were the Kashi Vidyapeeth, the Bihar Vidyapeeth, and the Jamia Millia.